Hi, welcome to my channel Tech Easy Learning. I have created more than 200 videos in the technologies like Oracle, Informatica, Teradata, cloud computing, and data warehousing fundamentals. And at present I am concentrating only on the Oracle, the two Oracle interview question and answers. Okay, you can go through my videos in this channel, and you can share the videos and kindly subscribe my channel Tech Easy Learning. Okay, then we will see some Oracle tips and tricks or question and answers. Okay. Today we are going to see about the spool command. It is very simple only, and also how to display the name of the employees who joined on the same date. Okay. First we will see about the spool command. Okay. Here I have opened the SQL plus window. Okay. The spool command causes the SQL plus to write the results to a file on the operating system. That means if you want to store the results of the query in your C drive, you can use this spool command. Initially, you have to set the spool. That means you have to set the file path where you want to store the results. Okay. Here you have to give the command spool. Okay. Here I am going to store in E drive. Yes. And you can give the extension like this. Okay. Now I am going to have to set the path first. Spool using the spool command. You have to set the path. After that, you have to write the SQL. I'm going to write only simple SQL. Okay. We have got the results. I have given select start from EMP. It showed all the records. We have got only 15 records. These 15 records, it should store the results in the text file. Okay. It should store the results in the file. I have already given the path and the file name. Okay. But you have to remember to give the command spool off. Otherwise, the loop won't stop. That means we cannot see the result in the particular path. We cannot see the result in the E drive. So we have to give the command spool off. Okay. Once the spool is set, the SQL piece will continue to spool the output until the command spool off. The file cannot be seen or used until the spool off command. We have given the spool off. We will check the file. I have given the file name as what? Test, I think. We will check once again. I have given as test.lst. I will check whether it is got created or not. Okay. The result got stored along with the SQL and also the command spool off. Okay. If you got any doubt, once again also we can do that. Okay. This time I am going to write some other query. Okay. ID. No row selected. We'll change 734. One row selected. Now I am giving spool off. Now that we will see the same. See, now only one row has got recorded. Okay. And also the error, the invalid identifier, what are all the things we have given after spool on. Once we start the spooling, all will be recorded in that file, stored in the file. Now we have got the result. Select start from EMP where EMP ID is equal to 7934. Only one row we are able to see. This is the way you have to use the spool command. Okay. Now we are going to see the query displaying the names of the employees who joined on the same date. If suddenly one query comes, you are working in a support environment, some seniors asking you, so just take one report who are all joined in the same date. Okay, same date of the previous month or previous year, like that they are asking. Select, you have to use this query only. Okay? Just I will show you now. I think you are able to see the query now very clearly. I have used the concept self-join. Okay, I think you are familiar with the self-join. If you are not aware of it, or if you have forgotten it, you can just go through my channel. I've already created the videos for it. Okay, inner join, outer join, self-join, etc. You can go through my videos. Okay, and also you can go through the other YouTube videos also. Okay, so you can clearly understand what is self-join. I've used the concept of self-join. I've selected e-name, hire date, and I've used the table alias EMP A, EMP B. Then after the var class, I'm just checking whether the EMP ID is not equal to the EMP ID. That means I'm using the concept of self-join, and hire date is equal to B dot hire date is equal to B dot hire date. If the hire date is same means, then we have to select the employee. So this is the way you have to use the self-join. If it is not equal one, we have to select it. That means hire dates are same and employees' names are different. That is the concept. See, we are able to get the two employees. We are able to get two employees' names who were joined on the same date. Okay. This is the way you have to implement it. This is the way you have to write the query. Okay. For the persons who joined on the same date. So far we have seen the spool command and the employees who joined on the same date. Okay. We will see about the other things in the next video. Thanks. Bye.